I'll guide you through enabling Google Authenticator on Binance without leaving your crypto vulnerable to hackers and scammers. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. First, log into your Binance account. Tap your profile icon and select Security. Locate the Authenticator app option and tap to enable it. Now, the most critical step. Binance will display a QR code and the long alphanumeric setup key. You must save this setup key in a secure offline location. This is your only backup if you lose your phone. Next, let's link the apps. Open the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. Tap the plus icon in the bottom right corner. Choose either scan a QR code or enter a setup key. To use QR code, hold your phone up to the QR code on your Binance screen to scan it. Then tap Add to save the account in your Google Authenticator app and give the account a clear name like Binance for easy identification. Finally, let's activate the feature. From the Google Authenticator app, retrieve the constantly changing 6-digit code. Enter the code into the Binance setup screen and tap Submit to finalize the process and activate 2FA. Now, when you next log into Binance, you will be prompted to enter a 6-digit code, which you will see from the Google Authenticator app. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.